Hey guys, my name is Ian. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to polish out the Set 350 and then how we're protecting it with Scratchworks Silver, easy to use ceramic coating. We polished it with Scratchworks Pro Shine. Both are available at shopscratchworks.com. I used a microfiber pad and a dual action polisher to get it done, but we'll discuss that in the video. So let's hop right into it. Alright guys, I'm going to take a little pause in the time lapse here to explain kind of really what I'm doing. We did go over it at the beginning of the video, but I'm going to show you in real time just how quickly this stuff shines up. So very important, use a microfiber pad when you're doing this. I'm using Scratchworks Pro Shine. You can find it at shopscratchworks.com. This is my medium to light cut diminishing abrasive polish, so it's going to cut, some medium depth scratches out, and then it's going to really shine it up and finish out the paint to a nice crisp reflection, which you'll see at the end of the video. But I want to show you, demonstrate just how I do this, because when it comes to these enhancement jobs, time is money. Okay, like I said at the beginning of the video, I don't put lights on these jobs because we're going for depth and shine, not scratch removal completely. You're still going to get 70-80% scratch removal. There's just going to be some deep gouges that are going horizontal, some vertical, but a lot of times those need to be sanded out anyway. On the daily driven vehicles, they come back every 2 years, 3 years for a new coating anyway. This is getting a 3-year coating. It might not even stay in possession of this owner for 3 years, who knows? So it's all about expectations. So 4 drops on your pad, make sure it's microfiber of your choice. Speed setting 4 with the group as I run it at 4,400 RPM. But you'll feel it out with whatever machine you're using. All right, now you can tell that thing clears that up perfectly. So the big thing is dig, slow down, dig, let it cut deep the first few passes, and then as you're getting towards the end of the life cycle of the polish, you'll see it go from translucent to transparent. That's when you want to pull the pressure off and then just speed your arm, speed up, wipe it off, inspect your work, and then get back into it. So let's get back into the time lapse, and then we'll see you guys at the end of the video. Thanks. Alright guys, thanks for making it to the end of the video. It's Monday morning, it's about 35 degrees out, and I wanted to just capture a fully cured coating so you guys can get an idea of the difference of what it looks like, not only outside, but once the coating is fully cured. So just do a quick little look down there, because I want to talk about the thumbnail. All right, $300 an hour. How did I make $300 an hour? Well, I charge $750 for the enhancement polish on pickups and $750 for an intermediate coating on pickups. It gets more expensive the bigger the vehicle is, all right? So keep that in mind. But I did all of that with my Scratchworks polishing system in 5 hours. That includes filming. Okay, so break that down. That's $300 an hour. I'm happy, client's happy, expectations were set and met, and here it sits. So it's ready to go to work, and I'm ready to go back to polishing airplanes. See you guys.